takes us to the next one. So we talked earlier about the device being the gateway to resources. And so how a user, once a user's been verified and they're bound to a particular device, is that device in compliance with the policies that's been implemented on it? And so when a device falls out of compliance with those intended policies, the IT admin needs to know, and it's likely that they're going to have to take some kind of action based upon that. But the first step is knowing. And so within the JumpCloud platform, go ahead and go to the next slide. Within the console, you have the ability to go into a particular policy and see the status of the devices that have that policy tied to it. We also give you some reports through JumpCloud reports for certain policies like OS patch, browser patch, that aggregate all of that data into one view. But being able to know, at a moment's notice, hey, what are the devices I have in my room that are out of compliance? So show you the clients. And so Anera's going to show you a much more elegant way to pull all that together. And this will be another case where further action is likely going to be necessary. It's difficult to fully automate this use case, but I think Anera's going to show you a much more efficient way to get there.
Thank you. So before I begin for this workflow, we initialized it with a pre-made list of JumpCloud policies we use at Torq. First, we are looping through the pre-made list with a loop step, Torq loop step. For each policy, we get its latest status by executing get policy status step. And then we are focusing on the success property marked here in red. With the extract failed policies only, we generate an array based on the event that success is false, hence failures. Then we collecting the array's results, and then iterating again through the collected data, which is failed policies inherited. To get an additional system info with a system ID key value, we are executing get system info step. Finally, we have results to generate a nice Slack form report with the finding and its corresponding device. For making it easier and intuitive, we made a device name clickable to get us straight to the device page in the JumpCloud console. Derek.
I like this one because it takes you all the way back into the location you probably are going to need to go in order to take further action. So that's really cool.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.